everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of customization on your Samsung Galaxy phone. We'll be showing you exactly how to change the theme and give your device screen a whole new look. It's a super easy process, so let's get started. First, we need an app called Themes. It comes pre-installed on most Samsung devices running One UI 5.0 or later. If you can't find it, search for it here at the top. Now open the Themes app. Look for the Themes section. It might be at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that. On this page at the top screen, tap on the top section. On the next page, you can see the filter option here. Tap on it. Here you can choose paid themes if you really like specific ones, or you can choose free ones. I will choose free. Now you can see a list of the free themes. Scroll down and browse through them. I will choose this one. On the new page, you can see at the bottom of the screen, Download button. Tap on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now tap Apply to see the magic happen. Your home screen will be transformed with your new theme device. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to change theme on your Samsung Galaxy phone with One UI. With a few clicks, you can create a home screen that reflects your style. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech goodness.